Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm with Lights Out.
And I'm Martha with the Maine Arts Commission.
And we're traveling around 8 different communities around Maine
to equip artists with tools to help them grow their careers.
There's so much available that folks don't know about, and we're able to travel to these communities and teach folks about it.
And all of these are free.
All of this is free, all offered through partnerships by the Maine Arts Commission.
Right.
We're going to, places that are far apart from other communities that are quite rural, and Maine is a very disparate state, and so it's important that we get out and talk to the people in their communities. We're really excited because as we've kind of started doing this, we've done a few of these now, conversations are starting to happen with folks that had never met each other. Groups are being made.
The Maine Arts Commission kind of sees itself as a bridge, in this instance anyways, as a bridge between making the road to access these resources easier. Even seasoned artists who are coming to our sessions are still walking away with some new ideas, some new nuggets.
After we finished this, traveling around the state, I felt like the communities that we went to were stronger. The folks that came to these events went away with real tools and with new connections in every location that we went. It's been really exciting to see that happen. I'm really happy that the Maine Arts Commission asked us to join them on this adventure. I look forward to continuing to have connections with some of these artists that we met.
One of the privileges of doing this work is being able to go out into the community and see all the people who are embodying creativity in their lives, and it's really inspiring.